Welcome back to the Valutis assessment process. This next video will answer some general frequently asked questions. What exactly is an assessment? Being assessed for selection or development is actually a very straightforward process. You will complete a number of instruments to help us objectively measure your job-related skills, characteristics, traits, abilities, and knowledge. Many instruments don't have right or wrong answers. They simply measure your preferences or opinions. Other tools, such as aptitude tests, do have a right answer, but there is nothing you can do to prepare. Simply do your best. You will know it or not. How long will it take? If you are coming to our office without having done any online assessments in advance, you can expect the process to take between 3 and 4 hours. Total time will depend upon the speed in which you progress and whether you will be meeting with Dr. Valutis for an interview. If time is a concern, let us know in advance and we will try our best to accommodate your scheduling needs. The online assessment tends to take a little less time overall. Will I get to see my results? The quick answer is, probably not. The longer answer is, the hiring organization owns the results. This is explained in the consent form you will sign. If the organization provides written consent, we can provide results to you. A vast majority of our clients, however, choose to provide feedback only to candidates who are eventually hired. For those who are not hired, the results are likely filed away with any other reference or interview data and are kept with their records. How long before the organization gets my results? We strive to provide a verbal summary of your results within 1 to 2 business days. A written summary report is generated and delivered in about a week. Who has access to my results? The hiring organization owns your results and therefore controls all storage and access. Typically, the organization will include the hiring manager and an HR professional in the feedback process. Each organization is responsible for keeping your written report, but the methods they use to do so vary. We have a copy of your master file in our offices, and no other organization has access to your results without your written permission and the permission of the original hiring organization. How can I provide feedback on your assessment process? We welcome any feedback you are willing to provide. Our intent is to make this a positive and pain-free process. We welcome the chance to talk with you directly, or you can send us an email. What if the question I have is not addressed here? Again, please do not hesitate to call or email us with any additional questions. We will happily address any concern or accommodations you may need. In our last video, we'll address some additional frequently asked questions about the online and in-person assessment process.